I'm a dreamer and a doer. So I have a vision of where I want to be in the future, but I also I represent someone that is taking action. The reality is, with exercise routines and business process improvement methodologies and all these things, that it requires a lot of effort. You have to change your lifestyle, you have to change your business habits, and that's hard to do. I'm a designer, and in my mind, you can only design with the tools that you know. So if you know about a pencil and a pen, you think that way. If someone introduces you to a digital platform like Adobe Illustrator, all of a sudden you might think, okay, I'm going to go there and I'm going to create in that. And then if you have an industrial piece of equipment, which might represent a CNC machine or a water jet or whatever it is, you might think, okay, well, I'm going to create my art, my concept in a physical way on a machine, but I only know the ones that I have. So you're limited in your knowledge of what's possible. When you go to IMTS, you're going to meet people, you're going to see solutions, you're going to solve problems, and you're going to ultimately walk out of there and you're going to be light years ahead of where you were when you went in. I'm going to look at machines that at the moment I assume will solve my problems. I'm going to talk to people. I'm going to try to find other shops and other people that are further along in their journey. They've already solved the problems I'm going through. I'll ask them, hey, you got this mill turning center. Did it meet your expectations? The larger the community grows, we're all going to start improving together. If I don't see a problem, then I don't see an opportunity.
Park your future in a better space. Drive invention, where dreamers and doers connect.